by, I wanted to share a few more AI tools for you guys, but this is about creativity and elevating your creativity and expressing your voice in a powerful way. The first one is Suno. I just discovered this one, y'all, and I had to call people after it finished one of the songs that I've written years ago. Never was able to get it produced the way that I wanted to, and I put my lyrics and sung the song down into Suno, and it came up with the music that it came up with just rocked it just took me to another place. So I'm actually going to put that song out commercially because it came out so good. So I'm not just telling you guys about stuff I haven't used. I've actually used this stuff and it's changing my life, so I really wanted to change yours. The second one is ElevenLabs. This tool turns your text into natural sounding voiceovers. It's perfect for audiobooks, tutorials, guided meditations, training programs, anything you want to bring to life with clear, expressive audio. And the third is Revid. If video editing feels overwhelming, Revid transforms your script or audio into a complete polished video automatically. I tried that too. Socks blown off again. It handles visuals, transitions, pacing, and editing. It gives you a finished product with almost no effort. These tools just don't help you create content. They help you share your story, amplify your voice, and build something meaningful. So that said, you guys, these tools have tiers. I think I mentioned that in one of the other videos. So by tiers, I mean free, $20 a month, $50 a month, and on up, whatever it is for each tool. And you can only go so far, because then they have what's called a paid wall where, like I said before, all the goodies are behind the paid wall. So like with Revid, I thought it was going to create a whole video and it only gave me 5 seconds. And then I figured out that the max it was going to give me was 10 seconds. And also the max for free that it was going to give me was 3 videos. So much for my full video. The same with ElevenLabs. So I've mentioned a few times that I've written 3 books and recently, and 2 of them are about AI, the other one's about legal stuff. But the bottom line is that I wanted to use ElevenLabs to make an audiobook out of all 3 and realize that it only will let you do so much. So I had a 125-page book, whatever it is, and I think it only gave me 1 page for free. So there's tiers to this thing. That's why I say you have to focus on what you really want to do, because I'm thinking, okay, if I can't put my full manuscript in there and get an audio book, I have all the equipment to just read the book myself and save some money, because I'm not going to pay the next tier in ElevenLabs. And that's what I mean by saying doing research. A lot of times I listen back to these videos and they sound like commercials for these tools, which I'm not getting any kind of endorsement, nothing. This is all my journey and the things that I'm learning. It's not these videos are not, I'm not making a dime from them. So I'm going to tell you guys the truth. I'll tell you the truth even if I was making a dime. Anyway, ElevenLabs, I figured out, would only give me a page just to show me how it works, and that was it. So I decided to take a different path, but I'm telling you guys about it because if you really want to do an audiobook and you want to do the investment, which wasn't a lot of money, it's just that they start to add up. The more of these tools you do, they start to add up. And I'm, probably about $100 a month in, which isn't a lot, but it's money. So you have to be very clear and intentional. You have to be very intentional about what you want to use these tools for and spend your money wisely. That's all I'm saying. But if you do that, these are some great tools and they will give you the results you're looking for. You still have to do some work. You can't just put stuff in there and think it's going to create your entire vision. But most of them, especially at the paid tiers, they have a lot of editability, so you can go in and move things around and edit things. So they give you a lot of flexibility to create your own dream. It just gives you a foundation to build it on. So if you guys have any more questions, please feel free to ask them below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.